Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss simple past tense. I hope you all remember verb and its forms, which we discussed in our previous tutorial. I told earlier कि जब भी हम tenses में sentences frame करते हैं तो verb और उसके forms की understanding होना बहुत ही important है. And in fact we should remember all those forms. So in simple past tense the structure of the sentence is subject and second form of verb. Now इस tense का use कब होता है? जब हम past में कोई भी काम खत्म हुआ बताना चाहते हैं. Like I want to tell कि मैं कल कॉलेज गई थी. So the sentence will be here subject is I and action is go, but the second form of go is went. So the sentence will become I went to college yesterday. Likewise, subject here can be any singular person or more than one person, or it can be a pronoun or object too, like I, you, we, they, in fact students, players, or it can be books. So anything or any person or a pronoun can be in place of subject. Verb always comes in second form, no matter the subject is singular or plural. Okay, so Mr. Narendra Modi addressed nation on the occasion of Republic Day. Second form of address is addressed. While making a positive sentence in past, we always use second form of verb. Now, okay. One more thing. If you remember, I told if you have to speak about action that you do every day, we always use first form of verb. Like if you want to say I wake up at 6, which means मैं रोज सुबह 6 बजे उठती हूँ या उठता हूँ. But if you are talking only about today and आज की सुबह आज का past है, तो second form of wake up will be woke up. तो आपका sentence क्या बन जाएगा? I woke up at 7 today. See, this understanding, this switching of sense should be clear here. Fine. So, if you are making a positive sentence about action complete in past, always use second form of verb. Now, coming to second structure. Any action or any sentence which is negative about past, यानी जो काम आपने नहीं किया उसको आपने या किसी ने भी नहीं किया. So again there is a difference. नहीं किया और नहीं करते थे. So we are not talking about नहीं करते थे. Any action जो नहीं किया, for that we use did not as a helping verb to make negative sentence. But remember, after did not, verb will go in first form. ये बहुत ही common mistake है. Like अभी हमारा correct sentence होगा मैं कल कॉलेज नहीं गई बताने का. I did not go to college. I did not go to college yesterday. Here we are using first form of verb after did not. लेकिन commonly क्योंकि सबको लगता है कि past है तो second form आना चाहिए, and because of this generally people make common mistake. They make sentence like I did not went to college, which is incorrect. So always remember use of first form after did not. उन्होंने इस मैच में अच्छा नहीं खेला. They did not play well in this match. कल बारिश नहीं हुई. It did not rain yesterday. या इस बार मॉनसून में बारिश नहीं हुई अच्छी. It did not rain well in this monsoon. So past, what is past? Any moment back from now, like 2 hours back, 10 दिन पहले, 1 महीना पहले या इवन 10 साल पहले, सब कुछ पास्ट है. तो कोई भी एक्शन जो पास्ट में हुआ या नहीं हुआ बताने के लिए वी कैन यूज सिंपल पास्ट टेंस. नाउ कमिंग टू नेक्स्ट स्ट्रक्चर. यदि हमें कोई भी बात पास्ट के बारे में पूछनी है, लाइक I already told questions are of two types, yes no questions and WH questions. दोनों में डिफरेंस क्या होता है? yes no questions are the questions for which answer is generally or is only yes or no. इनको हम क्लोज्ड एंडेड क्वेश्चंस भी कहते हैं, यानी क्वेश्चंस का आंसर या सिर्फ हाँ होगा या ना होगा. फॉर सच क्वेश्चंस अबाउट पास्ट दे विल बिगिन विथ डिड. क्या आप कल कॉलेज गए थे? तो क्वेश्चन क्या बन जाएगा? डिड यू गो टू कॉलेज यस्टरडे. अगेन रिमेंबर, क्योंकि डिड आ रहा है यहाँ पर, वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म में रहेगा, डिड यू गो टू कॉलेज. लेकिन यदि इसका आंसर पॉजिटिव है, हाँ है, तो वर्ब सेकेंड फॉर्म में हो जाएगा, लाइक यस आई वेंट टू कॉलेज. लेकिन आंसर यदि नेगेटिव है, नहीं गए कॉलेज, तो अगेन सेम रूल विल बी एप्लीकेबल, आई डिड नॉट गो टू कॉलेज. सो फॉर yes no question. Now coming to the last structure in this tense, that is WH questions. WH questions are those questions for which we need to give some information. Now, it is not necessary that WH questions always begin with W only. HOW, how is also a WH question. So, questions which require some information related to time, place, manner, thing, we can we can use again if they relate to past, they begin with where, when and how, but did comes in those questions. Like अगर आपको पूछना है कल आप कहाँ गए थे, तो क्वेश्चन क्या होगा? Where did you go yesterday? Now in this question you need to tell the place where you went. तो आपका आंसर कैसा होगा? I went to college yesterday. अगर क्वेश्चन when से शुरू होगा, when did you go to college, तो आंसर में आपको टाइम बताना है, like I went to college at 10 o'clock. So how did you manage your work? Which book did you read?